Built-in type string methods string.isPrintable return true if all characters in the string are printable or the string is empty, false otherwise. Non-printable characters are those characters defined in the Unicode character database as other or separator, excepting the ASCII space 0 hex 20, which is considered printable. Note that printable characters in this context are those which should not be escaped when REPR method is invoked on a string. It has no bearing on the handling of strings returned to sys.stdout or sys.stdr. String str.isSpace return true if there are only white space characters in the string and there is at least one character, false otherwise. A character is white space if in the Unicode character database either its category is Z as separator space or its bidirectional class is one of WS, B or S. Let's see the example. S is equal to 1 2 3 spaces and print s dot is space, it should return true, right? And then s is equal to now ABC and again try to print s dot is space, this time it will print false. str.isTitle return true if the string is title cased string and there is at least one character. For example, uppercase characters may only follow uncased characters and lowercase characters only cased ones. Return false otherwise. Is title. So let me apple. Let's see is title. Let's see false. And now A is title true, and if I make this capital L is title false. str.isupper return true if all cased characters in the string are uppercase and there is at least one cased character, false otherwise. Banana.isupper true. Banana.isupper is true, right? Banana.isupper is false. And banana.isupper is also false. All characters should be uppercase. str.join iterable returns a string which is the concatenation of a string in iterable. A type error will be raised if there are any non-string variable values in iterable, including bytes objects. The separator between elements is the string providing this method join. S dot join x for iterable. Apple is red. Print s apple. Apple is red. How s dot join. Join method example in Python. John Peter Wiki x dot join. John Peter. Okay, so A B C. Iterable my tuple should be a tuple. So now it should print apple, modify it. So now a the same example. Okay, got it. So this was the join example. String dot ljust width comma fill character. Return the string left justified in a string of length width. Padding is done using the specified fill char. Default is ASCII space. The original string is returned if width is less than or equal to length. So for example, s is equal to apple is red, and then print s. So it will print this way, simple, without any padding. And now L justified width is 10, so it will fill with space. Okay, it should be 20, then 30, and space. No, it is not left justified. Seems like R justified, right? Seems like okay. We show both the examples, and if the width is less than the length, it will not apply anything. r.str.lower return a copy of the string with all the cased characters converted to lower case. For example, lower, we already saw it. All small. Strip L characters. Return a copy of the string with leading characters removed. The chars argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted or none, the chars argument defaults to removing white space. The chars argument is not a prefix, rather all combination of its values are stripped. For example, 1 1 1 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 5. let's try to print. Okay, now if I apply lstrip, it will remove left spaces. Okay, and now if I apply rstrip, it will apply here and remove. And if I apply I say cares, a comma b, and if I try let's try strip b space. Okay, b and space both are removed, and if I apply here a b and space, so this will remove this whole text, right? Correct. Thank you.